Glow scat down again, man. This is some bullshit. Damn. They better not cost me no rat, too. Fuck. Out. Yeah, life with a flat tire. Zero. What the fuck is life? What's up, guys? It's your man Glow Scat. Let me put this shit down. Okay. Man Glow Scat 617. Fucking, we stuck on the side of the road. It's a POV stuck on the side of the road, flat tire and everything. Man, I'm tight. Cars are passing by. They're like, look at this scat down. Just get off work too, man. Like, what the fuck? Oh, man, I'm tired. It's 9 o'clock. I've been here since like 8. I made it. When I was leaving work, I was checking my thing. It was on 37, so I'm like, all right, cool. Man, I'm almost home. That shit says 13. I said, I'm riding. I'm like, all right, cool. Let's see if I can make it and shit. Man, I hit a bump, nigga. That shit went down to 10. Another one. Oh, 6. I'm like, oh, my Lord. I said, oh, Lord. But, yeah, I was like, damn, man. I'll be right back. They come back. I'm back. Yeah. Been sitting here. Tires flat as shit. I'm over here like, damn. Get out of work with some bullshit. But it was time to get some tires anyways. No front tires. I keep telling y'all it's the hood scat. You know what I'm saying? I'm really taking y'all on my journey. What it's like to have a scat. But it's not like I can't afford shit. It just like damn. Like I wait till shit get whoa. I don't want to get to the point when shit get broken down. But you see the damn tire? My shit's gone. Flatty, flat. Look at that. Look at them tracks. Had to get off the curve on there. Like, I'm stuck. See me? On dogs. So we just chilling. Put my hats on. Keep them on, man. Stage my chop. Hey, man. I'm just waiting for my Tolly. Waiting for the Tolly. But yeah, man. We just chilling until then. See what's going on. Then we have to go to the tire shop. Then we have to see what's up. Damn, I did not want to spend no money. But damn, man. Gotta spend some money. Ooh, look at that. Look. Look at them cars. Pew. But yeah, we just waiting. They say he'll be here shortly. We go see. I'm tired. I wanna go to sleep. Can't go to sleep. This is the morning time that I blog for y'all. Everybody's calling my phone. 1 second. Guys, man, we back, man. My bad. We was at the tire shit. Call motherfucking VIP fucking tire service in motherfucking Brookline. Homie said they had my shit. He said they have all tires and shit. So I'm like, alright, let me check my shit today. They didn't have my tires. So I had to call another tow truck to go get some tires. We're gonna get a tire. So I'm waiting since the morning until the Marcus really called him. I had to make sure he had them tires, man. Now I'm gonna go check out my place. Let's see what's the word. Back to what I was saying, man. It's the POV. Longest day ever since I got out of work at like what? 7:30. No, 7:23. And I'm about to be done at 1, bro. But I got a day off tomorrow too, so I work tonight though. Like, what the fuck? They got my car going around. They go this way, like that. I knew someone told me I should have dropped that shit off. Man, I should have dropped that shit off, man. I would have been done, bro. Would have been done. I didn't eat, man. Spinning bread. Cause now, man. I'm about to go get my Toyota Corolla back. I gotta get the Corolla back, you feel me? My mother told me to order another tire. Order another tire for me. So you put that shit on. Then it's like boom, boom, bam. You dig? Guys, I'm back. Still over here. I've been some hours. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 o'clock. Been up for 6 hours, man. Told people can't get another told person. Like, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck is going on? Nigga, what are y'all niggas getting money for? Like, what the fuck going on? I would have been out here. Vroom, nigga. Like, my car is just like, damn. Bento knew I was coming. I just gotta wait patiently, I guess. And I just ordered some food, too. Like, shit. I'm hungry than a motherfucker. So, guys, we got some fucking food. Something late right now until I get home. I gotta fucking piss. We still waiting. It's Monday, understand, shit's busy. But damn. Shit's crazy. My food got delayed too. It's like, what the fuck going on? Like, I know it's Monday and shit. I'm patient. But I was so hungry, though. I'm so hungry. The Day of Life in the Scat. This title. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. I had to get some food. Should have ordered 3. What? Shit crazy, y'all. Stay tuned. Probably still gonna be here. Shit's crazy. And we got a bed. Fucking day in life. I've been doing this shit all fucking day. Go call a tow truck, nigga. We got a car in that bitch. What the fuck, man? You know, you had to change the tire, put that shit back there, put that one right there. It's just unbelievable. Crazy, man. It's fucking bullshit. bullshit, man. So we have my favorite place. Shout out to them, man. But currently I have to wait again. Don't know how long. I've been waiting all day. Okay? I've been up since 10 p.m. yesterday. All the way until now. It's about to be 6 o'clock. I took a nap a little bit. This was a blog for today. So, can I get my tire before going to work? Let's see. Being work out what? How many hours? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5 hours. Let's scratch that 4 hours. About to be 6 o'clock. This is crazy. What can you do? Now we have to see what's going on. I have to wait. I got a big ass truck. So I'm just chilling here. Oh, shit, man. And I need to get a spare too. I need to get a spare. I'm about to start getting a spare for my car. This shit can't keep happening. I'm about all the tools and shit. Jack my shit up. Pew, pew. You know what I'm saying? Get all that shit. Yeah, tap in, man. Minnow 10, all that shit. Yeah, I need all that shit, man. Get some money. Shit. Shit fucking loud. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I've been outside all day. I got 7:23. It's been like 14 hours. I did not go home. I've been in the fucking car. Trying to get my tire changed. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mainly 8, nigga. It's about to be 8 o'clock until I get my tire changed. What's life? But I said, that's him? No, that's not even him. He said 10 minutes out. And I got work at 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock. Scat, man.
What happened?
It just blew, and I was on the highway, and it just blew. I think it's popped or something. I think I had to get front new tires anyway, so I was like, damn. Damn. tires. You got a big ass. My shit is beat. Don't worry about it. New one's coming. Pow. When you're so happy that you fill your tank up. Come on now. How many Dodge people be filling their tank up? I put 20 in it sometimes. Come on, talk to me now. But when they got that tank up, it like to let people know. It's supposed to be 392 on that motherfucker too. 392. 392.